Hello everybody, it's Penny from Fitting Boutique. I hope you're all having a fabulous day. And I hope the weather's treating you well. It's very warm and muggy here today. And that's about all that's new. Before I get started, tomorrow I will not be around, so I won't be doing any videos. And depending on what time I get home tomorrow evening, I may answer emails tomorrow if I have any, or Friday morning. Depends on what time I get home, and I will answer them in the order they come in. Okay, so I think that's about it. And Sunday, as long as the weather's good, I will not be here Sunday as well. All right, okay, let's get started. So welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you so very much for joining. Everything is done through PayPal, so both parties feel secure. We sell vintage, costume, and some sterling silver jewelry. Okay. And my name is Penny, and this is Fitting Boutique. So, here's the instructions to order. First, here's my email address. It's pennyfullard@yahoo.ca, and it is in my description box as well, all right? So, these are instructions. This is what I would need for you to order something. 1, the video number. 2, the timestamp. 3, the description of the item. 4, the bag number. And 5, the price. 1, 4, and 5 I definitely need, but of course if you'd like to include 2 and 3, by all means go ahead and do so. And thank you everyone for your support, comments, thumbs up, and shares. I appreciate each and every one of you. I truly do. All right, so I did a little bit of, so I could make it quick. You know how I do that? I try and do the length, like the lengths and sizes and what have you beforehand. So the first one, bag number 1, is a gold tone necklace with, I don't know if these glow or not, no, like a peach color little bib. It's not a big bib, peach, and like a, yeah, gold tone. Here's your chain, lobster claw clasp, and it is 17 inches to the bib. Oops. Plus a 2.5-inch extender. All right. And then I put these little earrings with them because I thought they would kind of match. Let me try and bring you guys in closer. Okay, so these with hooks, and these 2 little bangles that, this one gold tone with a little bit of, oops, silver tone. Okay. And this one I think was 2.5 inches, and then this gold tone one that is 3 inches. Let's see if I can put them on. All right, and I'm going to do that. So I forgot to put the price on that. I'm going to do that set for let's do it for $4. All right, okay. So the earrings, the necklace, and some bangles. Bag number 1. Okay. Bag number 2 is sterling silver and labradorite. I'm just gonna bring pendant. I don't know if you guys, there's some blue flash there. Okay, here's your chain, and I'm gonna double check it while we're here. Spring ring clasp. All right, we'll do that right now before I forget. Let's scratch the pendant. Hopefully that's a good enough scratch. And let's try and get this chain. I know I've tested it before, but you know, sometimes I forget. It's so hard to do chains sometimes, especially when they're really fine. And this one is 18 inches long. Okay, let's hope that the chain was a good enough scratch. That's the pendant. Let's have a look and see. Okay, I definitely see red there. I think I see red. Let's get cloth, tissue. That's a little scratch, so a light scratch. Oh yeah, you can see the red. And let's do the pendant. And there's the dark red. Okay, so sterling silver and labradorite pendant, spring ring clasp, 18 inches long. This is bag number 2. And we are going to do this one for $10, okay? It's pretty. I love the little flash of blue that comes through. It's bag number 2. Bag number 3, we have a pair of vintage Laurel Burch earrings. They are purple enamel. They are signed at the back. Let me just show you. Okay, hook closure. So they are signed. And we'll do these for $6, okay? That's bag number 3. Laurel, can't speak, Laurel Burch earrings. Okay, bag number 4. We'll go back to the hand. So this one has a tribal beaded bracelet, stretch. Here's your beads. I don't know what they mean. The elastic is in good shape. And this one is sitting at about 2.5 inches. Great colors for fall. I don't know what they're made of. They almost look like, I'm not sure. We can, so that one's glass. Yeah, they just slightly go into glass. I'm not really sure. But you can see all the hand painting on that. And then I put, this one is a vintage one with a barrel clasp. And has, I think these are wood beads. Very lightweight. Yeah, they're wood. Barrel clasp. And it is, I'm going to confuse myself. 18 inches total. Okay. And then I have this other one here. It is on a suede cord. It's one that you can adjust, you know, pull it. And it has some beads. Oops. And then it comes down to what is going on here. Oh. Just. Okay. This, I'm not sure what that is. It doesn't, it's not heavy. It might be wood. I'm not sure. No, I don't think it's wood. And a little tassel here. Okay, and that one has, again, very long. And we'll do that set for $5. The tribal bracelet and the 2 little necklaces. And that's bag number 4. Okay, bag number 5, it's a bigger lot. There's a lot in here. There's a lot in a lot. We have, all right, we have a hand-carved wood brooch. Okay, and this is older because you can tell by the clasp. I don't see any signature on it though. Okay, we have stretch bracelet, and these are all like in fall colors, browns, greens, some burgundies. This one, little burgundy. It's not a clamper, no. Gold tone with some little rhinestones. I think they're all there, looks like it. And this one is 3 inches across. So I should be able to get my hand in there. Then we have, I think we have, oh gosh, let me see how many. 14 bangles or something. Let me get them out. Okay, so they're gold tone. It was some wear, the silver tone. Actually, they're kind of neat. These are really neat, actually. So that. Oh, I'm liking these. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. All right. We have 1 of these. Okay, it looks like everything's there. Then we have, let's see what we got going on here. So we have this one. This one's kind of neat. This reminds me of the 60s or 70s with brass. And then we have these little copper spiral ones. And some silver tone ones. Okay, and another one of these. So that's all the bracelets. And then we have some necklaces. So we have, this one is a twisted beaded necklace with a barrel clasp. And these are great pieces for fall, right? And this one is 18 inches. And then this is a copper chain with a glass pendant. Here's your chain. No clasp. And then this brown's a little bit of black glass pendant. And that one is, well, 14 inches down, so about 28 inches long. And then we have this one, gold tone. It is a snake. And that one is, so here's, it's a bib style. And then gold tone chain, lobster clasp. And it is, let me just see, 14 inches plus, so 16 inches to a 2-inch extender. And then we this one, oh, this one's the other, like this one. Oh, the next one I really like. So this one is lobster clasp, faux pearl, does have some wear on it. But again, you can, what's the word I'm looking? You can layer these and it'll be fine. So that one is 14 inches plus a 3-inch extender. And then we have, where's the illusion necklace? This is an illusion necklace. Oops. Triple stranded, lobster clasp. Again, nice colors for the fall. And it goes 14 inches and 18 inches plus a 3-inch extender. Okay. So pretty colors for that. And then this one is 16-inch drop. It is a lobster clasp. This is pretty. So you have these beads, and then this is glass, I believe. They're faceted. Are they glass? Oh, maybe not. Let me check. I feel like glass. Okay. They might not be glass. No, I guess not, but really pretty colors. Let me move this out of the way so you guys can kind of see. You can see these greens and browns going through, all faceted. Again, nice color for the fall. And that one is, yeah, I said, oh, and it's signed as well. Oh gosh, why can't I think of the name? Laura Conrad? No, I don't know if that's right. Is that right? I can't remember, guys, sorry. But this is a 16-inch drop, so it's a nice long one too. So we're gonna do that whole lot. So you got 1, 2, 3. This is nice too. 4, 5, 6 necklaces. Okay, this is cute. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 bracelets. Okay. And a brooch. Oh, and there is, wait, here's earrings. Yes. There should be 2 pairs of earrings. Yes, there's, oh sorry, there's earrings in here as well. Here's the brooch. I'll put that in the bag. We do have 2 pairs of earrings as well. So these little ones, hook closure, okay, silver tone, and then these ones, hook closure, and browns and golds to go with the colors that are in there. Okay. Sorry, I forgot about those. So we're gonna do that, all that lot for, that's gonna be bag number 5, and we're gonna do it for $12. Let me know what you guys think. In there. Okay. That was bag number 5, $12, okay? All right, bag number 6. Let's see. Silver tone bracelets. So we have, oops. Uh-oh. Oh, darn it. A little plastic bracelet, not a, necklace here. Barrel clasp, really nice condition. Very lightweight. It looks like you have frosted glass, frosted beads, but you don't. It's very pretty. It is 24 inches long. And then we have, I'm gonna put this in a separate bag. Silver tone Stella Dot chain, lobster clasp, and it is 16 inches plus 3 inches. Very nice condition. Here's your, let me see if I can get in here. Oops. Stella Dot. Okay. And here's your, where's your extender? There's your extender. All right. So that, just a simple chain. I'm going to put this in a separate baggie so it doesn't twist, get knotted. And then we have this illusion necklace, which is lobster clasp, 15 inches plus a 3-inch extender. So this one's all basically silver and white, but I do have a little pop of color coming with it. Let me put the Stella Dot there. So there's 3 necklaces. There's a pair of earrings here. They're silver tone with a lever back. These are cute little butterflies. Oops. And that looks like it's mother of pearl on there. Yeah. That's silver tone. Oops. I keep doing that. Super cute. Okay, so those earrings. Oh, yes. And then you have these bracelets. Silver tone. Nice little hammered finish. I'm just trying to see what's inside. If there's wear. I don't think it's too bad. Hard for me to see through the camera. There's that one, and it's 2 3/4. So that's what that looks like. And then there's this one. It's a little white enamel one with little flecks of silver in there. And that's what that looks like. And that one is, yeah, about the same, just over 2.5. So those, put that with the earrings. And then I put, excuse me, silver tone, purple rhinestone heart brooch. Okay. I think one of them I had to glue back in. I can't even remember which one it was now. Yeah. I think they're all there. Let me just see. It looks like it. Yeah, they're all there. I know one I had to glue back in, but I can't remember which one it was. Some have AB coating crystal, or AB coating. There's your back. The pin does have a little bit of wear on it. But yeah, a little bit bent. Just push that in. And then we have a silver tone ring. Purple, I think this might be glass. Let me see. Yeah, it's going slightly into glass. And where is the ring thing? Oops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So, I'm going to say 7 3/4. I don't want to say exactly 8. Let's see. Yeah. So I'd say 7 3/4. Okay. Just silver tone ring. Right. Yeah. Okay. So that little set, or like with the earrings, the bracelets, the brooch, the necklaces, bag number 6, and we are gonna do this set for $7. Okay. Okay. Let me see next. Bag number 7. What about? Okay, I'm not sure. This is vintage. This is really old. I'm not sure if anybody would be interested in this. I found this at an antique mall a while ago. Some of them are sterling and some are not. The bracelet, I'm pretty sure is not, but we will test it. So this is vintage, like divers or swimmers charms. And it's good because there's no engraving like with anybody's name on there. Okay. And I will test each one. And they are older. Well, I try to remember what. I think they went from 50s to 70s. Okay, so we're going to test these. So here's the first one. And I'm pretty sure, even though, let's see. No, it doesn't say anything. Is it? It has a mark on the back, but that's not silver, and I can tell by the coppery color. This one looks like it might be silver, and I don't see a mark. There's something there. Okay. That one does not look like it's silver to me. Okay. That scratch looks silver. So you might have two. Let me look at this. I just want to look at this bracelet. I don't think so. I'm gonna scratch it. No, it doesn't look like it. Uh-oh, it just broke. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. Okay. I was gonna say that I'm pretty sure the bracelet is not sterling when last I remembered. Okay, let's see. I think it went this way. Yeah, this way. Okay. So it looks like we have a couple that are red. It's this first one, I'm pretty sure. No, it's not. That's sterling. Nope. Oh, I think I got two at the same time. I think there's, There's one that's sterling for sure. I don't know, now I can't recall which one. Let's do this again. Okay, that's that one. All right, let's do this. Make sure we get it. That one. That one. I know the last time when I did test it, they weren't all sterling. There was a couple. Okay. Okay, so it goes this way. All right. This one here is that one over there at the top. Alright, let's test the top one. I think I need a new tissue. Do I have any more here? Okay, let's see. No. Okay. Nope. Okay. So this one I think is... Yes. So this one so far is. Okay. Or this one. Maybe this one, sorry. Yeah, this one. No. And, okay. So, I don't even know what that says there. But this one, I think, is the sterling one. No, it is this one, sorry. Yeah, this one is the sterling one, okay? So, if anybody's interested in that, was bag number 7. These vintage charms. One is sterling. We will do it for $5. Let me just put that on there. Okay. Bag number 8. Let me move this out of the way. I think it's going to be the last one, guys. So I don't want to keep you so long. Okay, so this is gold tone, enameled, sorry, not enameled, bib style necklace in blue. It's a pretty blue. Let me put you guys out again. Okay, and is this one that glows? I'm trying to remember. No, I don't think so. A pretty navy blue. It's got some pretty end caps on them, on the beads. Nice chain. Lobster clasp. And it is, oops, I didn't do it. Oh, 20 and, wait, that doesn't make sense. All right, let me do it this way. So, yes, okay, so it goes 20 inches plus a 3-inch extender, 23 inches. So there's that one, and I'm just looking to see if there's a little bit of wear up by the chain. I thought I saw something somewhere. Maybe I didn't. Anyway, yeah, it's not heavy. It's lightweight. Cute little thing. And then I have these gold tone and posts, and they are blue and purple. Sorry, blue, no, green and purple and black enameled. Okay. I thought they were blue, but I think they're black in there. And then we have a couple bracelets, and they are black. This one's a little bit thicker. Let me pull this out. Put this on. That's them. Okay. And they're, okay, these are all the same size. About 3 inches across. And this one is just over 2.5. And then one more we have, this one's glass, a glass cuff. Very pretty. So blues, and then it's got some gold flecks in here. Okay, and this one, 2.5. Let's see if I can do this. And that's what it would look like on, okay? And this is glass. So that's gonna be bag number 8, guys, and that'll be the last bag for the evening. And so you got the necklace, the earrings. The earrings are in really nice condition. And you got this glass bangle or cuff, and these for $5, bag number 8, okay? All right, guys, I hope you have a fabulous evening. I had to go and take a picture and then upload this. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you all, I really do. Again, my email is pennyfuller@yahoo.ca, and have a fabulous evening. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.